Good morning, everybody. Happy Tuesday. I hope that you are happy and safe and healthy and having a wonderful day. I'm reaching out with an invitation. In a little over 3 hours, I'm sitting down with my friend Aaron. And Aaron and I are doing our second deep dive into coronavirus and the data and how to make meaning of what's going on. Through data and also just from perspective taking and meaning making. So my invitation is to share questions and what's alive in you around COVID and what you're hearing in the media or from your friends and family, and potentially be able to address that in the video today. If you didn't catch our video from 3 or 4 weeks ago, our intention is really just to ask powerful questions. Starting with data, Aaron's got a passion project where he's pulled all the data around coronavirus for every state, and we start to ask questions around how different states are tracking data differently. How do we make meaning of that? What's the difference between the number of cases and the number of people who are getting sick? Illuminating some basic statistical knowledge, like the difference between percentages and raw data. So really, we're looking to empower people to understand what's going on through these numbers better, and also invite in some questions around meaning making out of all this, right? Like what is being catalyzed in our world from coronavirus? How is Corona in, like, what are the gifts that COVID's offering us? How are we being invited to move forward differently? And it's kind of cool for as two kind of data geeks and also entrepreneurial and innovation people. Aaron and I think provide a unique perspective around empowering a statistical perspective and also inviting in an innovative. What does this mean? What are the possibilities? What could be in store for our future? So I'll link to the first video if you didn't get a chance to watch that. Would love for you to check it out. I thought it was pretty cool. And shooting this one in a few hours, so if you feel compelled to, feel free to share anything that's alive in you, any questions you have, and we will do our best to answer them on the video we put together today. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this. I wish you I wish you a peaceful body and joy in your being, and am really grateful to anyone who is playing in these questions and playing the game of life with us. Okay, take care.